What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Premium Sports Cards 44. Today we're going to do a Bowman Chrome 2018 break and looking to pull some rookie autos if we can.
Yeah, for sure.
An
Ohtani would be nice.
Ohtani would be great. Cunha.
Yeah. See if we can pull some heat.
Let's get some heat out of here. All right.
Heater,
we're each going to do a box. You want top or bottom?
Take top.
Let's see this again.
I believe we're guaranteed 2 autographs per hobby box.
All right. Let's see what we can get. Pack number 1, Nick Senzel. Freddie Peralta. There's a Shane Baz out of $4.99.
I like it when they put the number on the front of the card.
Yeah, I do too. There's a Todd Frazier and a Buster Posey. Okay, well.
On to pack 2.
On to pack 2. Brian Mundo. We got a Louis Medina. Estevan Florial.
From the Yanks.
Yeah, it's a nice looking card too.
Tulowitzki.
Troy Tulowitzki. And Salvador Perez.
Well, nothing in that pack.
Yeah, so far the first 2 packs have been pretty average. Let's see what we can get here. Justin Williams. Louis Guillorme? I don't know. Some of these names are tough for me, guys. Monty Harrison. That is out of
655.
655. That's
a goofy number.
Yeah, it's a weird number. Francisco Lindor. And Lucas Gelato. Man, I don't know, guys. I have a hard time with some of these names.
Baseball names are the toughest.
Yeah, they are. We've got an Albert Abreu. Austin Meadows. Thomas Nido. It's a nice looking card.
Yeah.
Manny Machado. And an Ohtani rookie. Always looking for those.
Ohtani rookies are nice.
Yep. Two packs left out of the first box. Kyle Tucker. Trevor Stefan. Joe Adele. Harrison Bader. And Austin Hayes. All right, last pack out of the first box.
I believe we're owed some ink here.
Yes, and I believe I see that there is some. We've got a Chase Pinder. A Freddie Fernando, sorry. A Ryan McMahon.
Rafael Devers.
Jeez,
I would have liked that with some ink.
Yeah, it would have been nice. And let's see what it is.
Green.
It's green.
Dalton Varsho.
99. And
Nice looking card.
It's a really nice looking autograph, actually.
Yeah, it is.
All right, that's box number 1. We got 1 to go.
All right. Let's do this second box and see what we can pull.
All right, maybe my brother's got a little better luck than me.
We'll see. All right, on to box 2 here.
All right, come on.
Give him the heater, Rick. Probably one of my all-time favorite movies, Major League.
Oh, yeah. Classic.
All right. Pack 1. We got a Brandon Marsh. A Tanner Hook.
Yeah.
Justin Verlander. That's some kind of refractor or number. Yeah, $4.99. All right, so Verlander to $4.99. Roberto Osuna from the Jays. And a Nelson Cruz. All right, pack 2 here.
And some really high number cards.
Yeah. All right, we got a Zach Birdie. A Dylan Tate. Let's see here. We got a Sheldon Neuse. Brian Dozier. And a Corey Seager from the Dodgers. He's a nice young player.
All right, 4 packs to go. There's that Ohtani rookie auto.
Okay, we got a Kevin Maytan. A Mike Bowman. We got here.
Sticking a little.
That sure is sticking.
Yeah. Oh, there you got one of those.
It's the Bowman Sterling. Victor Robles rookie card. Nice looking card.
Yeah, it is a nice looking card.
There's a Miguel Cabrera. This guy's entertaining. I like watching him play. He's always got some antics. Paul DeJong. Pack 3. A Jaron Kendall from the Dodgers. Cole Brannon from the Sox. We got a Matt Beattie, another Dodger. A Tyler O'Neill, rookie. And a Dominic Smith, rookie.
2 left.
Right, 2 left. All right. We got a Chance Adams from the Yanks. A Matt Manning from the Tigers. A Fernando Tatis Jr. There's a nice card.
Yeah, very nice.
Gohara, rookie card from the Braves. And a Zach Granite, rookie from the Twins. All right, last pack, and there should be some ink in this pack.
At least that's what we're hoping anyway.
I sure do. I sure hope so. Oh, yeah, there's some beef.
Give us the beef.
You can see the beef right on the side. So what we're going to do is we'll save the beef for last. All right, Chris Bryant from the Cubs. Uh-oh, sticking a little bit here. Okay. Alex Gordon from the Royals. Sixto Sanchez. Jose Albertos. And, all right, ladies and gents, let's see what we can pull here. It's a prospect. He's an outfielder, and he looks like he's from the Twins. Lamonte Wade. Or Lamont Wade. I am unfamiliar with this particular player.
Me as well.
But that's the thing that's cool about Bowman, man, is you're getting all these young prospects. Most of them aren't even in the bigs yet. And you just never know what they're going to turn into.
Yeah.
You know?
It's fun to watch and follow them, too, yeah.
You know, I mean, I imagine in 2010, nobody had any idea that Mike Trout was going to be as much of a stud as he is. You know, it's fun. It's cool. We're just getting back into the hobby after a 25-year break and just having tons of fun with it, man.
Yep.
Thank you guys for watching. We're going to, we got a ton of content to put up. Ton of cool, interesting products. Current and a little bit older.
Yeah.
So keep an eye on the channel, and if you haven't already, can you do us a favor and please like and subscribe to the channel? And if you guys have a channel that you'd like us to follow and subscribe to, leave a comment down below, and we'd love to follow and subscribe to your channel as well.
Yeah, not only do we enjoy breaking, but we watch breaks ourselves, and we learn a lot from you guys as well. So yeah, please leave us a comment in your channel there as well. We'd love to see some.
Thanks, guys, for watching, man. We appreciate it, and have yourselves a great day.
Yep. Bye.